Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
गोंयचो पयलो गोंय पर्यावरण फिल्म महोत्सव माकिनेज पॅलेसींत सुरू. महोत्सवात 50 फिल्मांचे स्क्रीनिंग दवरला. सोमार मेरेन महोत्सव. गोंयांत दर वर्सा हो महोत्सव जावचो म्हूण पर्यावरण मंत्री काब्राल उलयलो.
It is the first one this year, and I'm sure with the help of all the G20 countries, including India and Goan filmmakers, we want to make this an annual event so that Honorable Dr. Pramod Sawant, who is the Chief Minister, has expressed his desire to, when I spoke to him, that this has to be an annual event in not only finding good films to be watched, but also for the young filmmakers of Goa and India, where maybe we will have something for them in line to bring in good films, so that the youngsters today, who is the future of this state and the country, who can make a difference in the society, can be looked on and can be seen as the future generation, who will make an impact on the lives of the people who try, because everybody is not the same focus.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.